It's always such a joy to be present with you all. And to be in physical presence with some of you tomorrow will be a wonderful thing for me, to give you tools to help you forward. My purpose is to help humanity to restore to its full potential. And what I'm doing tomorrow through my little workshop is helping you to connect with the truth of you, to recognize what is and what is not of you more quickly, so that you can become more successful through unfolding your true potential. That is what my workshop is all about. So, if you're ready for change, please be at Miller's Yard between 7 and 8 p.m. tomorrow, 30th of May, and I will help you to understand more about you, help you to unfold more of who you are, so you can make your visions, your dreams, your reality. We all are unique, and we all are beautiful, and we all have wonderful purpose. I look forward to helping you to bring out yours. So I'll see you tomorrow at Miller's Yard between 7 and 8 p.m. on Gillygate in York. Here they are again, those little details for you. I will see you there, and I look forward to helping you all on your journeys to fulfillment, success, and helping others the way you are choosing to courageously help yourselves. Deep love.